What's happening, everyone? It's your boy here, Rahim. We are back again today with another great, amazing tech video. Well, the video of today, it's all about the JBL Wave 200 TWS. We saw the 300 TWS and it was really kind of superb. Today we are seeing a little bit kind of game change throughout these kind of buds, throughout the Wave series, because the Wave series, they're really good, giving you a deep bass. We have seen it throughout the Wave 300 and it was really kind of dope. Now today we are having the Wave 200. Will this kind of bad boy kill the Wave 300 TWS? For further talking, further ado, let's get started, ladies and gentlemen. You know what I mean? Yeah, as you can see, guys, there we have it. This is a JBL Wave 200 TWS. This is a really kind of great and amazing kind of bud, and you can see right now we're having something different. If you spot it on the box, there are buds, like those kind of rubber buds which goes inside, which I think this kind of bad boy might be trying to kill the Wave 300 TWS. Enough of me talking, let us just unbox it, let us just test it, let us just explore it, and let us just give some thoughts about this kind of product. So enough of me talking, let's get started. So guys, there we have it. This is a Wave 200 TWS. We're gonna just unbox it and experience what's goody about this kind of bad boy. Is it well enough or is just a gimmick? Okay, this is a little bit different. As you can see, what do you spot? You spot the difference, and you can see on the Wave 300 compared to this bad boy, it's totally different throughout unboxing experience. This kind of USB right now, it's a little bit smaller, and this kind of side, it's the way they keep the buds, which I love it. This is really kind of good. That means you can even sometimes keep your box, not throw it away, so as you can store this kind of extra buds left here, so as you can use it later, which is really kind of perfect. So let us just jump in throughout this kind of product, what's packed inside. First thing first, same color. This is a blue color, same as the Waves, but it's like grayish. It's a little bit going through grayish, and it's really kind of awesome. Just check it out. Woo! This is really cool. Let me just keep it here. If it can just freestand, does it this possible to freestand here? Oh my, it can't. Okay, throughout here you get a USB type C, and this kind of USB type C, I'll share with you guys the difference throughout JBL, the last ones which USB that they were a little bit different. So as you can see, this one on my right, it's an older USB layout looking, and this one, it's right now currently USB layout looking. To be honest, I kind of vibe with the older one, the way they kept it, but keeping it rounded, it makes a little bit like a feel. Now branding plays a big role throughout here, and it's really kind of awesome. So you get some extra buds throughout here, which is really cool throughout this kind of bad boy. Some paperwork here at the back, which is really awesome. Now it's that moment you're waiting for. These are the buds, and you can see downwards here there's a USB type C port, which is really kind of awesome. Talking about the battery, this kind of Wave 200, it's a little bit less than the Wave 300 because this one gives you 20 hours of battery time, and you can see here through these kind of buds, woo, this is very different. You can see even the form factor, it's quite different than the Wave 300, but the Wave 200 I kind of vibe with the layout, to be honest, and I love the way they keep the text of JBL a little bit kind of far away, and it's a little bit smaller, looking great. I wish this kind of logo could be glowing or giving something, it would be much better, but anyways, it's my perspective throughout that, and you can see how much it is. It looks really kind of cool. So guys, here we have it. This is our product right now. We're gonna just test it and experience the music, what it got, because I'm really kind of pumped to see the Wave 200, how much it is. And I kind of vibe with the layout throughout this kind of Wave 200, to be honest, and it's really kind of awesome. So let me just first of all see how much this kind of bad boy are fitting well throughout the ears. Well, yeah, this is awesome. I kind of vibe with the buds because other people, they might be not vibe with it. This kind of, you see the difference between this kind of earpiece which goes through your ear, the rubber ones which they're like these ones, they're really dope. So I kind of like them because they go inner. So right now you can see how much it fits me. You can see, guys, you can see how much it fits me right now. It's really good, and you can see on my right here how much it is. It's looking really kind of awesome. So let us just pair it through the phone so as we can listen to the music and experience what's goody. Playing Kia here because it has a drum. Okay. Whoa, they have touch sensitivity, same as the Wave 300. So it's really good. You can just check this out. You just touch here. Super. I'm at 100% of volume. Whoa, whoa, whoa. To be honest, I think the Wave 200 win on this kind of game. Play throughout the music so as you can have a clear thoughts. I hope a lot of you guys got a clear picture here. So if we're gonna play the last time I reviewed the Wave 300, the sound, and to give this one a difference, you can see the quite difference. I think the Wave 200 TWS is much better and it has a better looking form factor, which is dope. Another kind of stuff is through the microphone. Well, the Wave 200 TWS gives you a superb microphone. It's really kind of good. It's really kind of great because of calls. So you can see right now through my screen, I'm on my phone and I'm actually using the buds to speak with you guys. So guys, my honest thought throughout these kind of buds, they're really good. To be honest, throughout the scale of 10 to 0, these kind of bad boys throughout the Wave series, it scores 10 out of 10. Yes, you can clap your hands now. 10 out of 10. I understand throughout the battery side of the Wave series that 300 TWS of the Wave is the one having a lot of juice than these ones, but this one has good music throughout your ears. And I'm talking about that kind of longer run throughout your ears staying. These kind of buds, they stay throughout greatness. They won't fall off easily and they're really kind of great. They're looking really kind of minimal, and the carrying case, what am I saying? The carrying case looks so robust. You won't tell throughout it how much it is throughout the minimalistic what JBL did. It's a really kind of great and amazing kind of buds out there throughout the Wave series. So yeah, these are the Wave 200 TWS, and our winner throughout the Wave lineup, the Wave 200 TWS, takes the lead throughout the buds. It's dope. So guys, that's what's up about the video of today. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about this kind of JBL Wave 200 TWS. Is it really good, or do you prefer the Wave 300 TWS? Let me know in the comments down below so as we can mash up this kind of question, so as we can know which is the top notch. But to be honest, on my perspective, I love the 200 TWS. Sounds really good and it gives you deep, really deep bass compared to the TWS 300 Wave, which I didn't feel if it has a deep bass. That's what's up guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking. Last but not least, a lot of you guys, you are not subscribed to the channel. Just support your homeboy here. Let's grow this channel together. Last but not least, I'll be catching you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos guys, and peace.